First select the video. Then click on Cutout. Then click on Customize Cutout. Select Quick Brush and brush the character. Then go to Adjust and do like me. Then select the overlay and add the color background. Adjust its size to full screen. Select blend and click on darken. After that you go on the effects and select video effects, select the solution. And copy my setting. Go to Effects again and select HDR. Then export the video. Add the video or photo again. Now we have to repeat the previous steps again. Now copy the video and click overlay. And do like me. Then select the overlay and add the video you exported. Adjust the size. Click on the blend and select filter. Select the layer and select the layer 1. Copy the Aura video and move it to the bottom layer. Then click on the blend and select the overlay. Now select the video effects. And add edge glue. Click on the object and select overlay. And finally export the video.